Hey everybody, this is Dr. Sapneil Tutoring from Sapneil Tutoring Incorporated. Today we're going to be talking about some major tips of how to get your high schooler into college with ease. We recommend trying to work with an IECA or NACAC certified college counselor if you have the opportunity to. Many of your college counselors are already certified in this area. If they're not, we have a network of different counselors that we can connect you with. Number two is keep the college process present. Plan for the future, but think about the steps needed today. Reinforce to your teenager that success can be achieved no matter which college they attend. Communication is key. That's really important to give practical direction in terms of what kind of college list you're going to start putting together. Safety schools, reach schools, and some moderate schools. Foster health and wellness, nutrition, stress management, and exercise. Lifestyle habits are really important, not only prior to the college experience, but also when you get into the college experience. Lower the stress. Make sure you're trying to eliminate anxiety through this really tough process, and try to choose something where you'll be happy across several various factors, not just academics, but comprehensive. Set realistic goals. Support encouragement and praise through parents and friends and family. Teach everyday life skills. They're going to be utilized if you leave the state or if you leave the country for college. Specifically, you may not have a support system that you may have in your home state or your home city. So making sure that you have your basics down, life skills, cooking, cleaning, managing your time, exercise, relaxing, and extracurriculars. The next one is try to get out of your comfort zone. This is a time in your life that you're going to be experiencing a lot of new things. So make sure to get out of that comfort zone and do some new experiences. Make sure you're developing new skills. Ask for help when needed. Either reach out to us or somebody that's on your campus, or a senior in your class, or even an upperclassman that can guide you. Get up early and stay focused to the end goals. Have fun, enjoy the process. Get other people involved in the process. Remember, you can create your own strong support system, and make sure you set goals and you do good by your goals. Overall, these are just some tips for how to get into the college process with ease. Thank you for listening to this, and we hope to help you achieve your academic goals. Please reach out to us if you need any help.